I think you guys buy the same.
Yeah,
same outfits.
We tried it. Right, we try to go twinsies every day if possible. I call him in the morning. What you wearing today?
And you match me today too. It looks like
Do I?
Similar, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey there, and welcome back to GolfCarTV. I'm Matt with Converted Carts and GolfCarTV. Today we have a repeat visitor. Paul from Angry Goat Custom Carts is with us, and let me welcome Paul in here. Great to have you again, Paul. Tell us a little bit about who you are, what you're doing, where you are, and just give us a little bit of background. What's your story?
Awesome. Hey, Matt, thank you very much for having us back again. My name is Paul Pryor. I'm the owner of Angry Goat Custom Carts. We are in Central Florida, Debary to be exact. We build custom MODZ chassis. We build just about anything you want. You want it loud, you want it fast, you want it shiny, flashy, that's us. Anyways, and we're also a Vivid dealer. We sell Vivid, the Vivid line, and eco batteries, sound bars, everything. And we install everything here. Pretty much have never told anybody no on anything. So we built some crazy stuff.
I see on your Instagram, there's a line that I like that says, what is it? Crazy or not, big or small, or something like that. We
something like that.
Yeah, something,
yep.
But which is
budget's big and small. We build them all. So yep.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Cool. Well, so today we're going to be looking at a Vivid. Tell us a little bit about Vivid as a brand and kind of who they are.
Yep.
I know they're based there locally in Florida, so I would
Yes,
love
sir.
to learn just a little bit more about the brand itself.
We picked Vivid as one of our inventory lines. They've been great to us. They are based here in Florida in Fort Myers, which is only about 4 hours away from us here in Central Florida. They've been wonderful to us. They make really great cart, especially for the money. They come standard with all eco batteries. All of their carts do. We got parts availability. They've been great. They also offer dealer training. They set us up, went through the carts with us, told us everything about the carts as far as repair and maintenance and even customizing the options and stuff like that. But they've been great to us. We really enjoy the V series of their carts, which is their entry level. And the cart we're going to show you today is we can show you that you can kind of buy an entry level cart, but make it cool. It doesn't have to look like every other entry level cart. You still have an eco battery, a lithium battery, and everything in it, and you can make it cool.
Cool, Paul. So this is cool. We're excited to see. I haven't had a Vivid on the show, so looking forward to seeing this. So why don't you tell us a little bit about this one-of-a-kind cart? I know it's got some pretty unique things here, so tell us what you got.
Yes, sir. This is a 2023 Vivid V Series lifted one. This one here, we decided to make it a little bit brighter because their color options are fairly limited, so we wanted to do something bright. I'm driving down the road one day and a new Corvette passed me, so I got the color code from it. And this is a 2023 Corvette Accelerate Yellow, and it is extremely bright, but it makes the cart pop. This one we also added went with the MODZ Assassin wheels, the 23-inch tires, or actually 25-inch tires on this one. This is the 10-inch wide wheels in chrome, and we went with the Barrage 25-inch tires. And as you can see, it kind of swallows them up on this cart. They stand out really wide on most carts, but this cart here, they just kind of fit it. We have our buddies over here at Buggy Works make us custom mount brush guards, which kind of dress up the front end a little bit. We put a couple little sticker accents and little stuff that just kind of make it pop. The cool thing was we were able to get the MODZ FS2 seats to fit on this. So we've got custom seats, front and rear, which turned out great, really kind of make the cart pop. We also did the MODZ steering wheel, which surprisingly enough, the color was almost exactly matched the body color.
That works out nice.
We also had custom mats made for it, which we kind of called it we have our going back and forth as far as our name goes. Kind of like the Angry Bee, kind of follows the Angry Goat thing, but custom floor mats front and rear turned out really good. And again, this kind of adds a little something to it. But as you can see, the wheels are just monsters on these things. Those Assassin wheels are just super cool. The other cool thing is that these carts all come with a they come factory with a eco battery, 105 amp hour. It's great, wonderful, and get you somewhere around 40 miles out of this thing. They say 50, but I would say probably closer to 40, especially with the lift and wheels and tires and stuff on it. But we've had fun building it, and it's kind of fun to show it off as far as something different. We probably going to go ahead and put a sound bar and a subwoofer in it. Just haven't gotten there just yet.
Yeah.
So we run these things here. These things are great. You guys might sell these things. These amp caddies are not very expensive, and they're pretty decent little speakers. They just clamp on.
Right. That's cool.
But that's our Vivid, and it was kind of fun to build just because it's something different. Most people don't build these import carts, and they don't do a whole heck of a lot with them, and think that they can't do something with them, and you most certainly can. You can make them cool.
That's cool. And so when you talk about them being based there, so is that assembly and
assembly and everything? Their warehouse is over in Fort Myers, and they've been great. They lots of parts, lots of everything. They've got tons and tons of carts. So if we need to special order something, a certain color that we don't have in stock, a certain model we might not have or be sold out of, I can get it within a couple of days. They've been great. Any kind of parts we need. Matter of fact, I called them up when I had the idea of doing a different color on the body of this one. Told them, hey, I need an extra set of seats just to have, and I need an extra body. They had it out the same day to me. So nice. They've been great.
So, and I do like the if you're taking votes, I like the Angry Bee. That's
yeah. We had heard Murder Hornet, Murder Bee. I kind of like the Angry Bee. Kind of follows the whole Angry Goat thing. So
that's right. That's right. Very cool. Very cool.
But that's about it.
So tell me a little bit more about the. You said this one is lifted, and they have
yes,
non-lifted options. Is that?
They do have non-lifted options. They have both. They have the V series. They also have their Peak series, and there's also a surprise that they've got coming out here probably by the end of the year. They've got a secret new cart coming out pretty soon here, so it will be pretty interesting.
You heard it here first.
They're I won't tell you anything more about it, but it's going to be cool. It's going to be a game changer, that's for sure.
Cool, Paul. Thanks so much for joining us today. So tell us a little bit about Angry Goat and how people can find you. What's your website? What's your primary socials? Things like that. Tell us a little bit about.
We are located at 909 South Charles Richard Beale Boulevard, which is a mouthful, in Debary, Florida, 32713. We're all over the social media. We're on Facebook. We're on Instagram, TikTok videos. You pretty much name it. We're there. Just Google Angry Goat Custom Carts, hashtag Angry Goat Custom Carts. And on TikTok, we are, I believe it's Goatman on there, but we're also, you can find us under Angry Goat Custom Carts. We're all over.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much again. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Matt.